Are you looking to create your Google My Business the right way? Well, let's jump in. What's up, guys? It's Marco with Intricate Digital. Today, we're going to be showing you briefly how to create and set up and optimize your Google My Business listing for maximum visibility on the Google search engine. Now, before we get started, I want to mention a few things. You want to search your business name exactly in the Google search engine. Now, if you have a Google My Business, it will pop up on the right side of the screen here. And if you do, and you didn't know, then you would be able to click claim your business listing somewhere along the Google reviews here. But since we do have one, in my case, we're going to go about just setting up a new one. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to google.com/business and click sign in, or create a Google account if you don't have one, and go from there. Now, the next prompt you should land on is this. So what you want to do is just type in your business, right? Intricate Digital. Now, if you already have a business, it's going to pop up right here. But if you don't, it's going to say create a business with this name. Now, for my circumstance, we're definitely just going to create another location of my business. Now, what you're going to want to do here is do a business name. Now, you can just type in your business name for now. Later on, we can go ahead and add the different specifications here. Now, just click next. Now, the next thing you want to do is, are you a service-based business? Do you have a location? Do you want customers to come to that location? Or is it just an office, a home office? For my case, we're going to put no, because I don't want my address out there. I don't want people to see my address. I don't want people to even acknowledge coming to my address, because it's not an office. It's just a home office where I sit here and work. Now, next thing you want to do is put in your areas where your customers are served. Now, for my case, we're going to do Phoenix, Arizona. I also serve Scottsdale, Arizona. I also serve Glendale. Glendale. I also serve Mesa. Just put in probably 4 or 5 locations if you are in a big location, maybe in a big inner city or whatever. Now, next thing you want to do is add a business category. For now, just put one. Later on, you can put other subcategories, but for now, just put your primary category. Since I am an internet marketing company, then I'm just going to do internet marketing service. Now, you could add, if you're a plumbing service, put plumber or plumbing supply store or whatever kind of store or niche you're in. Now, next thing you want to do is add a phone number. I'm just going to add this number. It's not my personal number. It's not even my work number, so don't try call it. Now, then put your website in here. If you don't have a website, that's totally fine. Just click I don't need a website, and later on you can create one or get started with that later. Now, the next thing you want to do is verify this business. Now, verification is going to take a week or 2 or 3, and basically Google is going to send you mail to your address where you can take a verification code and enter it into your Google account here, and you should be able to access the dashboard of your Google My Business then. But in my case, I'm already in, so here is my back end and dashboard of my Google My Business listing. A few things I want to run over in this video is the home, the information page, the post page, a few insights, and then as well messaging, and that's about it. It doesn't take very long to optimize your Google My Business. That's why we really recommend, you get started yourself, and then we can come and consult with you, definitely. So how you want to get started is going to information. On the information page, you can type in a custom business name. Now, I recommend putting the business name and then putting a plus sign and putting your target keyword. Your target keyword always goes right after. Now, this isn't considered keyword stuffing for you marketers out there. Keyword stuffing is more like putting a comma and putting another keyword in, or comma keyword. And this is basically just a target keyword in quotations, and that's exactly what you want. You want the Google algorithm to see that you are really looking for that Scottsdale SEO position, and that's how you're really going to get ranking in the top 3 maps listings. Now, the next thing you want to do is put your primary category, make sure it's prominent in the correct category. Then you want to put some additional categories or subcategories, advertising, marketing, a marketing consultant, or different in terms of your business. Now, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and put an address in if you want customers to come to your location and buy products or services from your location. For my case, I don't have a business business address that customers can visit, so I would just leave it blank. Now, service areas is very important for local service-based businesses. Put in all the services, service area you service. So that's mine, Scottsdale, Phoenix, just in the Phoenix Valley here. So put in your addresses. The most important is your name, address, and phone number. That's what customers are looking for, is your NAP information. So just name, address, and phone number, and for the most part, you should be set. But definitely, if you have some extra time, go ahead and add website, phone number, and all of these other things. Now, a very important aspect of it is your description. Now, the description, a brief description of your business, explains not only to your customers, to Google as well. So it's telling your customers exactly what you can do for them, what you can help them out with, what exactly you can solve in your authoritative brand. But then as well, it tells Google, what you service, where you service, how you service, in different aspects and components of that. So it's very important there as well. Now, in the post section, you can definitely add an update, which is, maybe you just posted a blog. You can put in a blog. Now, if you have an event going on, like a food tasting or whatever, if you're a restaurant, you can definitely add different kind of events in. I don't usually use these modules since I am just a kind of boring SEO agency in the corner over here. So definitely take advantage of these prominent resources that Google is offering you for free. Now, you can offer certain, 20% off store or online, different aspects here. And then if you are releasing a new product or you just got a new one in stock or whatever, definitely add that in there. Make your customers aware of that. Now, I use it only for my blogs. I'll put my blogs into here just for some extra views and, extra potential, I guess, on Google search engine. But definitely it's something that you're providing your customers with content, and your customers love content. At the end of the day, content is king, so definitely look into something like that. Now, your insights is going to break down thoroughly your insights on your business, what people are searching, how many people found you this month, and different aspects of that. You definitely want to advocate for Google reviews. Google reviews not only create a credibility around your business, but definitely do influence the way you rank. A company that has 150 reviews on Google definitely is going to rank a lot higher than someone with 0 or one horrible 1-star. So definitely it is based on the click-through rate of your customers, the click-through rate of the people on Google, since they are searching. And if they don't like you for some reason, they're not going to click on you, and Google's going to see that as not necessarily a penalty, but definitely a degrade in rankings. But those are definitely the most important aspects of your Google My Business. The NAP information, the custom business name, no keyword stuffing whatsoever, different posts, different components they can add to your Google My Business, and you will start ranking. Trust me, you will start getting on Google, and people will start searching your business. And like, if you take a look at it, Scottsdale SEO company, we get an abundant amount of leads just from this search every single day. Every single day people are searching this term. Here's our website, and here's our Google My Business in the top 3, in the first position. Definitely in good shape, in good standing. Our Google My Business is well on its way to maximizing its efforts in terms of the search engine. That's all I had planned for this video. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, any marketers out there, any potential prospects, business owners, customers, even clients, make sure you reach out to me. I'm only one comment away. Hit the comment section below, or just simply email to me. I'll get to you as soon as possible. As well, if you're not aware with Intricate Digital, we are your local marketing agency. We are website design. We offer search engine optimization, primarily PPC advertising, different kind of advertising services as well. So if you are interested in ranking higher and getting more customers online, getting more leads, just creating an authoritative brand in general, make sure you reach out to me for that reason. And as well, another thing I wanted to mention was the video content. Now, we at Intricate Digital are going to be looking into creating new content, into new video user-friendly content, especially for embedded into our blog. We have a marketing blog. Make sure you reach that at intricatedigital.com/marketing publication. We will definitely be releasing new blogs and new content every single week. And hopefully we'll be releasing more videos in regards to internet marketing, search engine optimization, other kind of advertising strategies, and ultimately some website design components as well. If you are interested in learning new internet marketing tips, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.